Hi everyone. So we have been doing what? We've been doing the floral formulae for different families of plants, right? So today we will be doing the Leguminosae family. This is the fourth largest family. Okay? So the largest is Compositae. Then there is Orchidaceae. Then there is Gramineae. And then you have Leguminosae. Now, the thing, it is also known as Fabaceae, okay? It's called Leguminosae because obviously legume family, मतलब इस family में सारे leguminous plants होते हैं. इसको हम तीन में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, Papilionaceae, Papilionaceae, Caesalpiniaceae and Mimosaceae. Okay? Papilionaceae is a group of herbs, छोटे plants. इसका जो फ्लोरल फॉर्मूला है इट इज ब्रैक्टिएट. ओके, दिस मीन्स इट इज zygomorphic, it is bisexual, it is gamosepalous with 5 sepals. Okay. Now, corolla has the 1 plus 2 plus fuse 2. So basically, this is that kind of. So you have one standard petal, 2 wing petals. Okay. Right, and 2 keel petals. That's your 1 plus 2 plus 2. Yeah? So that's your Papilionaceae kind of arrangement which is found in the corolla. Okay? The androecium is what? The androecium is diadelphous with 1 free, 9 fused anthers. Okay? Okay? It is a free gynoecium with 1 carpel. Right? And all floral parts are below. So the ovary is superior. Yeah? If you look at the economic importance of this group, then obviously all your protein rich pulses. You will need to remember 2 scientific names in this. One is Pisum sativum. That's your P, garden P, which was the model for Mendelian experiments. Also, Glycine max, which is soya bean. Why? Because in the plant kingdom, this has the highest amount of protein, 42% protein dense, and therefore these two you need to remember. Vegetables, multiple vegetables, peas, all your lab है ना, गंवार जो हम खाते हैं, all of these जो pods में आते हैं, usually French beans, broad beans, they are all of this family. Now, oils, obviously groundnut oil is a good example. Alfalfa is a very good fodder. For that matter, this family provides the largest amount of fodder for our cattle. Okay? Soil fertility. Now, all leguminous plants, as you know, these protein rich, these pulses, they have root nodules. And these root nodules have usually rhizobium. Rhizobium converts atmospheric nitrogen into soluble nitrates and therefore makes them biologically available for plants, and therefore they are hugely linked with soil fertility. इसीलिए हमेशा क्रॉप रोटेशन जब की जाती है, एक सीरियल क्रॉप के बाद एक पल्स को ग्रो किया जाता है. मतलब अगर राइस हो गया तो अगले में कोई पल्स ग्रो करते हैं, ताकि क्या हो, ताकि जो सॉइल का नाइट्रोजन है वो रिप्लेनिश हो पाए, सॉइल फर्टिलिटी रिप्लेनिश हो पाए. ठीक है. फाइबर, सो सन हेम्प इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द फाइबर दैट यू गेट. fibrous plants. Fiber मतलब cotton जैसा, जिससे आप material बना सकते हो, ठीक है? And this is extremely important. Derris elliptica, it makes a natural insecticide which is known as rotenone. Okay, so for rotenone, Derris elliptica is very, very well known. Moving on to the next group, which is Caesalpiniaceae. Again, bracteate, zygomorphic, bisexual. Now, polysepalous, polypetalous, both with what? 5 each. Okay. Androecium is also what? It is not fused. Okay. So you have 2 groups, 5 plus 5. 2 holes, sorry, no brackets. So it's polyandrous in 2 holes of 5 each. Okay. Gynoecium में 1 carpel and superior ovary. So you will see the ovary structure for all of these groups. 3 are same. Okay. Now, these plants are mostly shrub-like, so slightly bigger. Economically important, not much, but trees. There are many trees. The most important that you need to remember is Tamaricus indicus. That is your imli or your tamarind. Okay, so Tamarindus indica. Parkinsonia aculeata. This has the smallest phyllodes, so it is a very, very possible question. Cassia, Caesalpinia, Bornea, ये सारे ना tannins secrete करते हैं, which are used for the tongue. Okay. Moving on to Mimosaceae. They are also bracteates, but they are actinomorphic. Okay, and they are bisexual. Now, coming to floral parts, they are gamosepalous with 4 or 5 sepals. They are polypetalous with 4 or 5 petals, and for their androecium, they are polyandrous, but the number can vary from 4 to indeterminate, infinite, so uncountable amount of stamen. Gynoecium similarly it's a superior ovary with 1 carpel. Okay. Economically important plants. Acacia is a very, very economically important genus in this group. So Acacia rugata, saponins, which can be used as soaps for cleaning. Okay. Mimosa pudica we all know because it is your touch me not plant. इसका ही एक aquatic version है जिसे Neptunia कहते हैं. Neptunia के seeds edible भी है. ठीक है. Acacia catechu, this is used as a red dye. Also the katha that you use, that is used in the pants, that is derived from Acacia catechu. Okay. It is also used to dye silks. Now, Acacia arabica gives you kicker gum and Acacia senegal gives you gum arabic. Both of them are used in diet to either cool down the body or to warm up the body, right? And then you have Entada. Entada is important because it has the largest known pod size in this family, and its seeds are so large that they can be replaced as soap bars. They also have saponins in them, so can be replaced as soap bars. There will be a lot more information available in multiple books, but this is broadly all that you will need for your NEET as well as your boards. So stick to this. Do not overburden yourself with information. I'll see you in the next video. We'll try to finish it as soon as we can. Thank you.